Hi everyone. In this project we will modeling an animated dark ocean surface project. As you see, our dark ocean surface is animated. Here you can watch. We have camera animation and we have form of waves and we have dark cloud background and we have surface fog. As you see, it's very important, and our waves are animated. As you see, our project is here. It's very simple. We have a camera, it's animated. As you see, Alt W, we can animate it, play up it, we can animate it. Yes, our waves is working, as you see, and our camera animated also, and we have a Arnold light and we have background image on plane object. Yes, if you are ready, let's start. First of all, we can design our scene, so we can add a plane as a ocean surface, so maybe 200 and 250. Yes, and we can align our scene angle. Yes, and Shift F and Control CC. We can add our camera and we can press on keyboard 7, and our polygons count is 100. Perfect. Maybe yes, and we can add a background for behind our scene, maybe 1, not important, and perfect. And you can download from textures.com this texture. Its name is, as you see, skies 0313. Yes, you can download, and we can, for example, download this one or this one, maybe this. Yes, and as you can see in our project folder, we have 2 images from textures.com for HDR image, and for just the time before we downloaded this textures.com better. It's enough for now for our project. Let's go back to 3D Studio Max again and select ocean surface as a plane, and name is maybe ocean surface, and press G and height grids and OK, and we can add this place modified in modified list, and map maybe cellular, and maybe this value, as you see. Yes, perfect, enough for now. Perfect. And we can add this map from the into the material editor instance. It's perfect, and this may be color is black. Yes, as you see, different P we can close, and this may be white. Yes, it's this way, as you see, and maybe 22 and maybe 1 and maybe fractal and maybe 5. As you see, it's look like a sea surface right now. It's perfect. Yes, this maybe this way. It's perfect. Yes, perfect. And we can change animation time, maybe 250. And we can add animation right now. So, and go to end frame and open OTKey. 18 and maybe 22. Yes, we can check now. Yes, and maybe we can increase just a little. So maybe 23 and maybe 28. Yes, and we can go to track view again and select modified object displays and select displacement map and select coordinates. Yes, select and control and linear. Yes, we can check right now. Yes, or C is perfect right now. Yes, maybe not. C. Maybe just a bit we need the angles. Yes. Yes. Maybe just a bit decrease. Yes, just a bit right. Yes, it's perfect, as you see. Yes, we can save this our project Ocean Surface. Save us. Yes, its name is Ocean Surface, maybe. Yes, and we can add background image for standard surface and bitmap and select this or image and select background and align. Perfect. Yes, maybe just a bit. Yes, yes, perfect. Sort and maybe this roughness maximum and specular this maximum. Yes, and maybe we can add a camera animation. Select and first frame and open add key and we can this yes frame and just a bit and again this way just a bit and again and just a bit and again. Yes, better I think. Yes, perfect. and maybe we can select music camera, roll engine, and this way, for example. Perfect, as you see, and again, perfect, and perfect, and yes, we can check again. Yes, it's very smooth moment, camera moment. Perfect, yes. And now we need ocean surface material and ocean surface form. So select ocean surface and add from modifier list data channel and add operator curvature double click and distort double click and smooth double click and finally vertex output. And we can add map channel and channel name maybe ocean material. And select curvature and this value maybe 4. Yes. And maybe yes or yes. Okay. And select distort and add map again silver and open material editor and drag and instance copy and again this color maybe black and this color maybe white again and this maybe 4,5 and maybe yes 0.9 and maybe fractal. Yes, perfect. Right now maybe we can change yes, we will control letter. Perfect. Maybe we can change this value 7. Yes, perfect. And we can select smooth operator and maybe 9 again. Perfect. And another material assign the ocean surface and select plant material, select vertex color and update and select ocean material and color correction, select this one and we can change this value maybe 55 and 19 maybe, and again we can add composite and we can choose cellular again, and we can change maybe 5 to 5 and maybe 6, yes, maybe, and select it fractal and maybe 4 5, yes, and this color again black and this color again white also, and back to parent and this color maybe blue and roughness maybe yes, and this surface scattering maybe just a bit blue and maybe this blue again, and this, yes, perfect. Our material is here as you see. We can check Shift Q, sorry, we can check Shift Q. Not exactly I want value, so I can change curvature value maybe 2,2 and maybe 0, yes, can control again, yes, form is top of waves, it's correct result as you see, perfect, okay, and we can just maybe just a bit increase, yes, and we can show behind our material, perfect, and maybe yes, maybe, and select the material and follow and add some vertex, maybe bezier, yeah, perfect, okay, perfect result, maybe, and maybe, okay, and bezier, yes, perfect result, and we can select Fresnel, and this may be value, yes, and we can change this color, and back we can reduce, yeah, we can reduce this blue, perfect, and maybe just a bit, yes, okay, and pick this material maybe white and maybe just a bit, yes, and maybe just a bit, 8, and silver again, and again black and white, perfect, and fractal, and maybe 4, and maybe yes, We can add rendering environment and bitmap. As you see, we can download it from textures.com and add, and we can control. We will just a bit change material, and we can add Arnold White. Yes, perfect. And Shift Q again. We can change color, can change material color. So we can change. Yes, I think maybe this way. Shift Q. Or maybe just a bit low. Yes. Okay. Shift Q. Maybe we can add exposure control. Yes. Again. Too much. Yes. Or maybe 7. Shift Q. We can change color again. Maybe we can this maybe. Yes, maybe just a bit. Yes, maybe just a bit blue value increase. Yes, and just a bit. Yes, Shift Q can control. Yes, I think enough for now. Yes, render has completed and result is perfect as you see. And we need add fog over of ocean surface. So go to render setup and Arnold rendering and go to atmosphere and select material and select atmosphere and fog. Yes, and we can control this fog material, so we can drag and copy with instance, and we can change fog color maybe this way. Yes, maybe blue value, maybe increase. Yes, and this may be 7, and we can change control. Yes, perfect result. But maybe this value. Yes, can check again. Perfect. And maybe we can this value maybe 6, and again. Yes, this area maybe perfect. Maybe we can try 4, and again. Yes, I think it's better because in this area fog is not so effective, but in far away this area is perfect. I think it's good. Maybe, yes, maybe, perfect. Maybe, yes, and check again. It's perfect result, as you see, perfect result. Maybe for perfect result, yes, yes, shift Q again. Yes, this result is perfect, I think. Yes, we can render this project. So go to rendering, render setup, and come on and active time segment, and maybe custom, and maybe 360, and maybe okay, we can save as well, and we can create a folder version surface render and JPEG and version, yes, and render, okay, and render. Yes, I think enough for now. We can cancel. Yes, yes, you can see all render folder, all frames are here. And let's go back to 3D Studio Max again. Yes, we can close and go to rendering menu and compare media in RAM player, and as you see our folder, and select one frame, and you have to be sure this checkbox is checked, sequence, and open, and yes, okay, and okay. Yes, we can watch. Yes, perfect. Our animated Gaussian surface is ready for now. Perfect. Yes, we can delete this bytes, it's not necessary. Thanks for watching and see you in another project.